Good day, everybody. We would like to speak into the differences of sponsoring your spouse to Canada from the in-Canada sponsorship class and the regular family sponsorship from overseas program. There are three main components that are different in either class. With the in-Canada sponsorship class, you can initiate the process in Canada, mail your application to the case processing center in the country. Your application will take a rather long time to be processed, 2.5 to 3 years. During this time, you and your spouse are advised not to leave Canada even for a short period of time because it can easily put the application in jeopardy. With the outside Canada sponsorship program, you submit your application to the case processing center, and after processing you as a sponsor, they will mail the application to the visa office responsible for your spouse's country. This usually takes much less time than the in-Canada class. With the in-Canada class, in case of a refusal, you have no appeal rights. This means if you find a flaw or an unfairness in the process of your application, you need to file judicial review to the federal court. Whereas with the outside Canada family sponsorship case, you can make an appeal, given you file your appeal within the time period prescribed. The other main difference is that with the out of Canada case, your spouse might be able to come to Canada and visit you if they don't need a visa, depending on their nationality. Or they might be able to secure a visitor visa in the meantime and come visit you. However, as a visitor, they won't have a right to work or study in Canada. Whereas with the in-Canada sponsorship class, your spouse, with the pilot project that we currently have in place, might be able to apply and obtain an open work permit for the while they're waiting, they might be able to work. The other difference is that with the out of Canada class, your spouse will have to go attend an interview at the visa office, most probably. So in case they have a visitor visa and they're living here with you as a visitor, chances are highly that they will have to go back to the visa office responsible for the country and have an interview. So these are the main differences between the two classes. I hope you got answer to some of your questions. If you have any other questions, we will be happy to try and reply to those. You can message us or, as usual, send us emails. Thank you and have a beautiful day, everybody.